Petrol and diesel fuel our modern lives. From daily commutes to cross-country road trips, these two fuels power the vehicles we rely on. But the story of petrol and diesel goes beyond just filling up at the pump. It involves understanding their differences, their environmental impact, and the future of energy. Whether you're a driver or simply curious about the fuel powering our world, this deep dive into petrol and diesel will help you make informed choices as we navigate the changing energy landscape. What is petrol? Petrol, or gasoline, is a liquid fuel derived from crude oil through the process of refining. It's used primarily in spark-ignited internal combustion engines like those found in most cars, motorcycles, and small trucks. Petrol is known for its volatility, meaning it easily vaporizes to mix with air and ignite in the engine. This characteristic makes it an excellent choice for smaller, high-revving engines that prioritize speed and agility. However, petrol engines generally produce higher levels of carbon dioxide, contributing to global greenhouse gas emissions.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is diesel? Diesel fuel is also refined from crude oil, but it differs significantly from petrol in its chemical structure and use. Diesel engines operate on compression ignition, where air is compressed until it heats up, and then fuel is injected, causing combustion. Diesel engines are commonly found in trucks, buses, and other heavy-duty vehicles due to their durability and fuel efficiency. Diesel burns at a lower rate than petrol, allowing vehicles to cover longer distances with less fuel. However, diesel combustion can produce higher levels of nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, contributing to air pollution and respiratory health issues. Efficiency and performance comparison. When comparing petrol and diesel, fuel efficiency is one of the key differences. Diesel engines are typically more fuel efficient, offering more miles per gallon, particularly in long-haul or commercial vehicles. Diesel engines are also known for their superior torque, which provides better pulling power for heavy loads. On the other hand, petrol engines excel in delivering quicker acceleration and a smoother driving experience, particularly in smaller vehicles. For urban driving, petrol may be preferred for its lighter handling and lower upfront vehicle cost. Environmental impact. Both petrol and diesel have significant environmental impacts, though in different ways. Petrol engines emit more carbon dioxide, CO2, which contributes to global warming. Diesel engines, while emitting less CO2, produce higher levels of harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, which can affect air quality and public health. In recent years, governments have implemented stricter emission standards, particularly for diesel engines, to mitigate these environmental concerns. Additionally, the rise of cleaner alternatives, such as electric and hybrid vehicles, challenges the future dominance of petrol and diesel. Cost factors. Another important factor for many drivers is cost. Traditionally, diesel fuel is priced higher than petrol in many regions, but diesel engines are generally more fuel efficient, meaning you could save money over time, especially if you drive long distances. On the other hand, petrol-powered cars usually have a lower upfront cost and are cheaper to maintain, but they may require more frequent refueling. As fuel prices fluctuate, it's crucial for consumers to consider both the initial and long-term costs when choosing between petrol and diesel vehicles. The future of petrol and diesel. As we move towards a more sustainable future, petrol and diesel are facing increasing competition from alternative energy sources like electricity, hydrogen, and biofuels. With electric vehicle technology advancing rapidly and global efforts to reduce emissions intensifying, the role of petrol and diesel may diminish over time. However, it's likely that these fuels will continue to play an essential role in sectors where electric or hybrid options aren't yet viable, such as in heavy-duty transportation and long-distance travel. Outro. Whether you drive a petrol or diesel vehicle, understanding their key differences can help you make smarter decisions, from fuel efficiency to environmental impact. As the energy landscape evolves, staying informed will empower you to choose the right fuel for your needs while contributing to a cleaner future.